Are we live now?
Yeah.
I think we should do an interview for our school report. So let's find someone to interview. Let's interview those girls there. Let's go interview these two boys there. Hello. Hi guys. Do you guys mind helping me do my school report? Because I need to interview you guys.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So guys, the first question will be, do you think our school has a conducive learning environment?
No, not really.
Oh, it could be better. So guys, do you think the weather contributes to this?
Yeah, it's pretty hot recently.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so the third question is, our school is planning on building a vertical garden to overcome the issue of heat. So what's your opinion on this?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea and it's environmental friendly as well to cool down the place.
Sounds good to me. It also cools the place down. It's also eco-friendly and cost-friendly. And moreover, it also makes our schools look more attractive.
True, in fact, it's perfect for areas with insufficient space like our school. Would you like to join me in succeeding our goal to have a vertical garden in school? If so, let's go to the lab.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's go.
The idea of the project is rainwater will be funneled through and it will be collected by two DIY water filters below. Plants will absorb water and they will grow sufficiently. Once the plants have sufficient water, the excess water will flow through and will be collected at the fish pond below.
So guys, that's the end of the interview. So see you guys next time. Bye.